Hey guys, I hope all is going well. Today I decided to make a protein infused or protein packed bowl, and I have gotten into the habit of making all of my toppings ahead of time so that if I'm in a rush, I need a quick meal, it's easily accessible. Um, so I just have like various toppings in baggies and storage containers, and that's what I keep on me. And depending on the type of protein you have both chickpea or some form of bean and chicken. I'm going with chickpea this time. And you see I already half the bowl, it's half romaine lettuce and half quinoa. I try to keep a pretty good balance in terms of the food that goes into the bowl. And I know who prepared it, was me, so I don't feel like, I have to worry about what's actually in it. For the sweet potatoes, I put it in my air fryer. I made the chicken in the oven, excuse me, and I made the chickpeas on the stove. I try and do as little as possible in terms of having to prepare throughout the week. So it might be that I cut up my lettuce, I make my grains, and roast my vegetables.